Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ and welcome to another episode of Ask RJ. That's right, this is the Q&A feature of my channel where you get your questions answered. Now, I know a lot of you do send me requests to sort of investigate sites, find out if they are a scam or if they are legitimate, and I don't always do them. So basically the way I work it is it just goes on numbers. If I happen to be requested by a lot of people to go and look at something, then I will probably go and look at it. If I only get requested by one, maybe two people, then probably not. So, you know, if something's brought to my attention and I feel that there's a lot of people that could end up losing a lot of money over, I will investigate it. So anyway, MoneyGuru was brought to me by a lot of PMs and DMs. So I basically took a look at the website, and there are a few things, both good and bad. So the concept that MoneyGuru uses is not a new concept. It is used on many different websites, and I know all of those websites do work perfectly well. So basically all MoneyGuru is asking you to do is open up a free account and then complete some tasks. Basically, these tasks consist of downloading and installing mobile apps, most likely some like mobile games and that kind of thing. And then basically they're saying is that you just need to run them for 30 seconds, do a review, and then they will pay you for that. You can also do instant tasks where you just submit in an email and phone number and basically verifying their entries, which again lots of mobile apps and websites do, and then completing surveys. And as we know, all the free faucets that we use and stuff like that, like Fire Faucet and various other ones, Hitbits, on all of those you can complete surveys, be rewarded in crypto or in some sort of credits or points. So like I say, what MoneyGuru is asking you to do is not it's not a big deal. It's not suspicious. Many websites, like I've said, do this. So that in itself is not really a problem. Obviously, if we go and check Scam Advisor, even though I'm not a massive user of this site, I have brought it to you a few times. So basically, if you go here and put in MoneyGuru, hit enter, and okay, so basically it's saying the rating of this site is low, caution needed. And then you've got a few reviews on here. A few people are saying it's okay. 6 people are saying that they feel it's a scam. So, that if you went on the fact that twice the amount of people are saying it's a scam as they are saying it's legit, but you could say, well, maybe it is a bit dodgy, but also as well, it's not a massive amount. If you'd got, say, 3 people saying it's legit and 60 people or even 20 people saying it's a scam, and then you think, well, yeah, definitely, but clearly it's not sparked up enough of a problem online for people to be coming on here and put in their reviews to say whether one way or the other, really, at the end of the day. So what else is MoneyGuru sort of saying to you which could possibly be a lie, let's say? Well, one of the things that other people have pointed out about this website is on here, and basically they're pointing out that they're saying that because it says here 2010, and then if you go and look at their website domain, it doesn't correlate. But you have to read this, sort of almost read between the lines, or look at it, what they're saying. They're saying our parent company has been creating online monetizing solutions since 2010. So they're not saying that MoneyGuru has been operating since 2010. That is not what they're saying. What they're saying is the company behind MoneyGuru has been operating and using online monetizing solutions since 2010. So this parent company could be responsible for numerous sites which are classed as legitimate. So that's one thing that a lot of people have pointed out, which I don't really completely support in their findings, as saying that that is a big red flag. Because like I say, the fact they're saying a parent company that could be responsible for numerous websites, and MoneyGuru is just one of the new ones that they have put out. Because if we go and check out the domain name for MoneyGuru, it's saying that it was created on the 25th of June of this month and expires the 25th of June next month. So like I say, yes, if you go on the fact that they're saying 2010 and you're believing that MoneyGuru is saying that they have been running since 2010, then of course it's a red flag. But because they use the term parent company, that doesn't mean that MoneyGuru has been around since 2010. All it's saying is the company that is responsible for MoneyGuru has been around since 2010. Now, I think I've said that about 5 times, so I don't think we really need to go over that point anymore. Okay, so what else is a bit of a, would people class as a red flag? Okay, so one of the things that I really noticed and for me is a big red flag is the amount of money you are able to earn in a very short time using this site or using the mobile app for doing those tasks we were just looking at. I saw a video where someone used this. They did 10 tasks and they earned nearly $300. For me, that is it's massive. That is a massive red flag, because that is just, it's basically what they're saying is that you can come onto this website or have the mobile app, you can download some games, you can do some surveys, and you are basically going to get the equivalent of a week's wages for maybe a few hours of your time. I mean, I think personally that is just absolutely crazy. But the thing is what this does, what MoneyGuru does, is it draws in those people that are essentially looking for something for nothing, and that is what this does. And that they are the people that usually, not always, but usually will get preyed upon. Those are the people that will usually fall for these scams, because or sites that are deemed as scams, because like I say, they are looking for basically, a massive payday for basically doing nothing, which, at the end, about the only thing I can think of that can actually happen would be, say, the lottery. Obviously, you can go and pay your dollar, and you can win millions of dollars for $1. But still, how often do people do that on their very first ticket? I'm sure the statistics are massively, or the odds of doing that is massively high. But yet these sites, or MoneyGuru specifically, is basically saying that's what they're saying. They're saying spend a few hours on our site using and we will pay you basically a week's wages. So for me, that in itself was a big red flag. Also as well, something else you have to consider when it comes to money is that, as we spoke, the website has only been around since June this year, so that's only a couple of months, and they're saying that they have paid over $44 million in that time to its members. Apparently they have something like, if we scroll down here, so they're saying they've got 730,000 members in 2 months, and they've paid out $44,700,000 in that time. So for me, that also is a pretty glaring red flag, because I don't believe that they would have amassed that amount of withdrawals from in such a small period of time. I also am a bit skeptical about the amount of members they are saying that they have accrued in that time span as well. Now, the next one is clearly a massive red flag. It is, and it has been used on many scam sites, and this is basically in their terms and conditions that they're basically saying that their website and their or basically is only meant for people that are 99 years of age or older. If you are under the age of 99, you are not allowed to use MoneyGuru, BV sites, and features nor our services. But that is, I mean, you don't need to say anymore. At the end of the day, that is clearly that's what you don't need to say anymore. You know, any site that you say that you've got to be over 100 years or 100 years or older to use their site, then they're clearly not wanting to pay you. So I'm sure many people out there have fallen foul to this, using MoneyGuru, and then them turn around and say, well, you're not old enough, so we don't have to pay you. But yet, because of all those things you've done, they have earned money, because doing the surveys, I think you can do short links on here. You can obviously download the apps. All of those things MoneyGuru is getting paid for, so they are making their money, and then they are not willing to share that wealth with you, because they are very greedy and have no interest in actually helping you or providing you with any form of income. They are only interested in themselves and making money for themselves. So, you know, at the end of the day, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. MoneyGuru, as far as I'm concerned, is a massive scam. The concept that they use is not a scam. And if this kind of thing is something that you're interested in, so if you like doing surveys, you don't mind doing short links, you don't mind downloading, say, mobile games, what you have to realize, though, is everything that they are saying when it comes to things like the downloads, you know, you're not going to get paid for 30 seconds of using it. If you're downloading the mobile games, normally what it will be is that you'll get points, credits, or even cash for say for reaching a certain level of a game, for building your castle up to a certain level, for reaching a certain amount of energy or whatever in a game, you know, upgrading your character to a certain level in a game. But all of that, you know, it's not going to be an hour or two here, you know, here and there. You will still need to put some work in. So, but like I say, if you are interested in those type of websites, check out swagbooks.com and check out lifepointspanel.com. I'm not going to put a link in the description because this is really all about MoneyGuru and whether it was a scam or legit. I'm not wanting to sort of benefit from that. It's just I wanted to do this just for give you my opinion. But like I say, swagbooks.com, lifepointspanel.com. Go and check them out. It's a free sign up, and like I say, if you want to do surveys and that kind of stuff, you can there, and they will pay you. Both of those sites, I have been paid into my PayPal account from those sites, so I can guarantee that those sites do work. But MoneyGuru is definitely a scam. Anyway, I hope you have learned something and you have enjoyed the video. If you can hit that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.